When installing Tenorshare 4DDIG for the first time, you may experience an error that asks you to disable system integrity protection on macOS. Mac has a built-in system that protects its system files and data. However, most softwares need access to that data for functioning correctly. To disable it, you need to get to recovery mode. So you need to disable csrutil to run 4DDIG data recovery program for Mac. First of all, go to Utilities and open Terminal. Type sudo nvram. Recovery boot mode equals unused. Sudo reboot recovery. It will ask for your password if your account is password protected. You can also restart in recovery mode by pressing Command key and R. Upon entering the password, your system will restart. Now you will come up in the recovery mode for Mac. Click on Utilities and then Terminal. Type csrutil and disables, press Enter. Voila, your work is done. Restart your Mac and go on with your data recovery. Now you can use 4DDIG Mac Data Recovery to scan lost files, preview and recover. It's easy. Thanks for watching. For more Mac data and system recovery tips and fixes, subscribe to our channel.